This is how to make setups with Install Creator Pro. First, you have to download it. I don't know where the download link is. And you need a keygen, so you get the keygen from Keygens. Okay, so this is what it is. It's a thing that makes your make setups, which take less memory. Okay, click next. Click the thing you browse for the folder that you wanna has all of your crap that you wanna download. Okay, and that, and click next. Choose your language, and you need choose a product. Okay, you can preview everything if you want. There, you click that, and just pops up with this thing to see what it looks like. Yeah, click next, and you do that. And you choose the Windows screen. I like small, so this. Next, and you choose the text that will be in the background. Choose a wizard for your template installation wizard. You can choose what it looks like, and choose then you put any additional information, like for example, I don't know, something like that. And then you can preview it. You enter your license agreement. Then you say where the directory is where you want the thing to download. Make the setup in. For example, I'll just choose my. You can just yeah. Yeah, let's go desktop. And you preview and preview all this crap. Yeah, and you're next, and you name a file which you need. All of that. I don't. If you choose if you want another version, and then you finish it, and then this should pop up where you want it. So you just choose where you want it. I'll just do random stuff. And yeah, and you open it and you save it, and click that, and then it should be like that, and then it should be downloaded here. Should. Okay, click save. Then you go to random stuff, and then you put it where you want. Okay, click open, and then you should wait. It should work. Yeah.